Hi everyone, we're going to use derivative rules to find the derivative of each function. The first we're going to do is f of x equals 8x. So basically, to find the derivative of x, you take 8 times 1, because this is 1, you move it in front of the x, and then you do 1 minus 1. So you get this equals 8 times 1 x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1, so we get equals 8. The next one we have is this one. So the derivative of this is going to be 1/3 times x, which is 1x, because there's a 1 there. This is x to the 0, by the way. X to the 0 is 1x, and then you do 1 minus 1 plus, and when you multiply these two, you get 0. So this equals 1/3 times x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1, so that equals 1/3. The next one, we're going to do f of x, the derivative of x, equals 1/2 times, you bring this 2 in front, 2 times x to the 2 minus 1, there's a 1 there, times x to the 1 minus 1 minus 0, because that's x to the 0, so you're multiplying that. And then you clean it up. You're going to get x, because this is 1/2 times 2 is just x to the 1 minus 1 times x to the 0 minus 0. Alright, so this is going to equal x minus 1, because that goes away, and this equals 1. The next one, we're going to do the derivative of x. So you write down the 3 times, you move the 4 in front, 4x, and then you do 4 minus 1 plus 7 times, move the 3 in front, 3x, and you just do 3 minus 1 minus 2, that's this one, and then you bring the 2 in front, x to the 2 minus 1 plus 7 times 1 to the x to the 1 minus 1 plus 0, because that's going to 0 out. Alright, and you clean it up, you get 12x cubed plus 21x squared, plus, that's a minus, sorry, minus 4x plus 7. Next one is this one, and if you don't know some of your other rules, I'm going to go ahead and FOIL this out. This is really 2x plus 4 times 2x plus 4. FOIL that out or just use your other rules. So this one would be 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do this. Will be 4, so that's just f. I just rewrote it. Now we're going to do the derivative of it. 4 times 2, and then you write your x, and this could be 2 minus 1 plus 16 times 1x, and this would be 1 minus 1 plus 0, because this is x to the 0, and that cancels out. So what you're going to get is 8x plus 16, because that's to the 0. This would be x to the 0. X to the 0 is just 1, so this would be your answer. We have one more. So we're going to do the derivative of this. That's going to be 2/3 times 3. You're going to write x to the 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, plus 1/3 times, bring this 2 in front, so that's 2x, and then you write 2 minus 1, minus 1 times x to the 1 minus 1, because that was to the first power, minus 0. And cleaning this up, sorry, I accidentally hit the wrong button. Okay, so when you clean this up, you're going to get 2x squared plus 2/3 x minus 1. All right, and that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.